There were a lot of disturbing noises during the last video which I posted at 12:30 a.m. today. But I was talking about closed circuit cameras which I have reinstalled today after removing the water air cooler. I got enough space here to work efficiently. But the reason was the stitching trouble in this curtain, and whenever water droplets were scattered, that curtain got wet. So I will change two of them from the door and then keep one aside. After that I will show you the time and day when I uninstalled these cameras, because I tried to replace the air fan but couldn't found it from the market as it was making a lot of noises. Otherwise also we were worried about the electric consumption. Since anonymous people are there as my subscribers, and all those are kind of mutually available judges for all the people who are present in my YouTube, and I think no one used to pretend, especially if I am included in all broadcaster. So I have removed one of the curtain, and after getting it stitched, I will try to place that again, but it seemed that the design is not looking too absurd because that colored curtains are and there also. So now I have to roll that cooler back to that place. During days of high humidity, I have to open the main door also. I have already cleaned it. Now I will fill some water in it after pasting the adhesive tape. You can note the specification of bathroom fittings manufactured by my company Government Enterprises known as Civic, patent registered. The standardized pipe will directly fit on the nozzle of the outlet of this big cock. One of the camera has not been stitched. One of the camera was removed just because of the fact that its wire got entangled and damaged. I noticed it also. Otherwise, I was managing this camera by using the PVC tape very cautiously. Most of the installers used to inform me that it is not possible to open this Sony camera, but I have seen two screws. Since it's a sealed one, it is possible that those technicians were right, but still I will try to get that repaired afterwards. In the meantime, water is being filled here. I will turn on the CCTV and show you the present telecast live. So all of you are our best judges. The system has been switched on at 4:59:28 a.m. on 27th June 2025. I will rewind it and show you. It's 4:3:44 when I got that reinstalled, but then I switched it off for a few minutes to adjust wires, and I prepared some side dish for me, so you will find it. I'm rewinding it to time when I switched it on after a gap of about 1 year, 2 months. You can see the last recording is available on 23rd December 2022. But trespassing or burglary was performed on 14th or 15th of April 2025. Please wait, I have to shut the tab off. So all of us are performing multiple tasks. You can see how much hectic schedule we are spending. No one in this city or around cooperate us, especially to get these kind of devices repaired or help us to exchange or replace them. But even then we have to keep care of our family and belongings. You can see there is no green triangle bar till January 2024, December, November, October 2022. I am rewinding it gradually to the time when it was shut down. You will find red bars on 22nd December 2022. It means that the DVR was shut down for 1 year or so. More recordings are not available. They can be deleted automatically also. I am not claiming that also. But the system is working except for one camera. And the clarity is so brilliant and bright. The only trouble is the power consumption and the noise which is making. So as I was telling you, I am too transparent in nature, and when I disclose the theft also, people felt suspicious about my intentions, but in reality I was talking about the problems of thefts and burglaries in India. Even when I was owning an electronics showroom in Delhi, please visit delhi.freeservice.com. It was located hardly 20 meters from my house on the main road from Mirabag, Sayed Nongloi, and my house was located at 14/456 Sundar Vihar. The showroom address was 14/473 Sundar Vihar, New Delhi, 87. My house number was 25265115 and my showroom number was 423433. Like that only, and other by CDMA number was also there, but it was shut down just because of the corrupt Delhi Development Authority and Municipal Corporation of Delhi, who kept on demanding bribe from me. That was a secondary topic which I had already explained you several times in my innumerable videos. But when I was talking about chronic fatigue syndrome, which is a result of these kind of troubles in family members, anyone can face these kind of troubles and people become violent and aggressive also. But those cops were not able to understand. And I was telling that we are awake from several days, several nights have been spent just to keep vigilant activities around us for the sake of other senior citizens also and for the sake of our own life also. But they were not able to understand. Now, at last resort, I have switched the CCTV on. Not because I am feeling too fearful, but I don't want anyone to accuse me, especially in my YouTube subscriber list or anyone from my relative friends. If I was the one who is feeling so much suspicious about my family's movements, I would not have disclosed this video also, because obviously they are also watching and they are not available right now in my home, and I'm not even aware about the whereabouts of anyone. Otherwise also in today's world you can't disturb each and every person's movement. So keep that in mind. Even if you are my family member, you are my subscribers, I proved you several times that I am too lenient, too transparent, too humble, and too careful person, especially for those who know and love me. So even if I am facing these kind of troubles, I don't have any trouble because I am too accustomed to these kind of voices. Moreover, when I will shut this door off, the voice will reduce to about 25%, and these kind of voices are so much prevalent in today's world. I will switch on the cooler also. Even then those voices will be suppressed. Sometimes the camera's voices are also present, sometimes other kind of sounds of chirping. These kind of voices are too popular and we should not feel too much problematic in that. Yesterday we were feeling distressed about cricket sound. I sprayed some Bagon pesticide on one of the door and those spiders or crickets went away. Now it is a peaceful place. I don't think there are more voices which will disturb me. Otherwise also I used to take regular naps throughout the day. Being a web designer and YouTube content creator, these kind of schedules are being absorbed by me. I think the socket is also damaged even when I pressed it several times. Now it has been switched on. So even if the criminal is watching us that we have switched the cameras back again, I don't bother at all. Since we are very cautious and alert people. During that night also we might have witnessed and went away. Practically these DVR and cameras were able to nab many criminals in the past. On the other hand, even if those tech-savvy gadgets installed at nearby neighbors' houses fail to do the same, especially in this circumstance.